What's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Yeah, I know it's been a minute, but what can we do? Had a touch of flu, so I was off work. But now, we're back and ready to go. So today we're doing a small room, but we also have an elephant in the room, which I will show you in a minute. So without further ado, let me give you a look at what we're doing. As you can see, the elephant in the room today is this wardrobe. We are going to gripper around the wardrobe and then fit the carpet around, and when we're finished, it should look as though the carpet has gone underneath the wardrobe. Right, now that you've seen what we're doing today, let's crack on with some gripper. And the tool we're going to use to gripper around the wardrobe is the Great Bad Man, affectionately known. Correct name is Nail Driver. What I'm doing here is making sure I got the correct gap between the gripper and the wardrobe. Now that we've finished the gripper work, we should put down some underlay. And being that it's a concrete floor, we should use spray adhesive to put the underlay down with. And after the underlay goes down, we'll then crack on with some carpet. The underlay that we're using today is an 8mm underlay. It's a foam back underlay. We're also using a reasonably thick carpet with that, so that means that we will have to remove the doors, because the doors will need trimming because they are running a little bit low to the floor. And now that we've stuck down all of the underlay, we are ready to fit the carpet. So we should drag the carpet in and start fitting. For me personally, the four main tools that I need when fitting carpet is my knee kicker, my plastic tucker, my hook knife, and my straight blade. And what I'm doing here is I'm stretching the carpet up in increments. Rather than giving it one big kick, which may tear the carpet, I stretch it in little kicks all the way up until I get to the other side of the room. And this is a safety tucker, or as we call it in the trade, plastic tucker. As you can see here, I've used my hook knife and cut down the carpet, and lo and behold, I've cut it a little bit short. So the solution for that is to take my knee kicker and just tap the carpet up a bit and then tuck it in with my plastic tucker. Right, now we're going to cut the carpet around the wardrobe, or have I been calling it the elephant in the room? Now here we are cutting the other side of the wardrobe, making sure that we cut enough carpet so when it goes down the side of the wardrobe we don't have any gaps. Now I'm going to trim off the excess carpet across the front of the wardrobe. And now I'm going to use my knee kicker and my plastic tucker to tuck the carpet in across the front of the wardrobe. Yeah, what I'm doing here is I'm measuring the gap, translate the measurements to the carpet, and then I cut that piece of carpet out so that it fits down the side of the wardrobe neatly. As the cut that I'm going to make here underneath the drawers on the wardrobe is a blind cut, a sharp blade is essential. And there you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like this kind of content, please remember to subscribe. It helps the algorithm push us along, and it gets the video out to more people. The more people that see it, the more videos I can make, the happier we all are. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.